Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how you guys can add an email and a phone number to your Roblox account to have extra protection in case somebody tries to hack into your account or whatever. It's kind of like two-factor authentication. It just makes your account more safe, and everybody I definitely believe should have this. And let's get straight into it. So once you guys are on the Roblox homepage, this can obviously be on any device, console, Roblox, mobile, PC, etc. But let's just use desktop PC as an example. What you want to do is you want to click on the gear icon at the top right, click on settings, and then from settings, what you want to do is it will be the first option, and it's going to say your name, it's going to say your username, and then it's going to say phone number and email address. And then from here, you can go ahead and add a phone number, and you can also add a email. So yeah, that is basically it. It is very simple. I believe once you add your email and your phone number, you're gonna get like a text message or something, you're gonna get an email, and then you can just verify that it is you. And once you do that, you should be good to go. So yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.